Question 1. Explain how to access and configure autocorrect options, including enabling specific corrections, adding custom replacements, and managing the replacement table. Answer 1. Accessing autocorrect options. 1. Open document. Start by opening your word processor. Example, OpenOffice Writer. To navigate to Tools, click on Tools in the top menu. 3. Select autocorrect options. From the drop-down menu, select autocorrect options. 2. Enabling specific corrections. 1. Options tab. In the autocorrect dialog box, navigate to the Options tab. To enable corrections, check the boxes for specific corrections you want to enable, such as 3. Correct to initial capitals or capitalize first letter of every sentence. 3. Adding custom replacements. 1. Replace tab. Go to the Replace tab. To add new replacement, enter the incorrect text in the Replace field and the correct text in the With field. 3. Add to list. Click New or Add to include this custom replacement in the list. 4. Managing the replacement table. 1. Edit existing entries. Select an entry from the list to edit and make changes. To delete entries, select an entry and click Delete to remove it.
Question 2. Describe the different text alignment options, left, center, right, justify, and provide detailed steps on how to apply these alignments to text within a document. Answer 1. Accessing autocorrect options. 1. Open document. Start by opening your word processor, e.g., OpenOffice Writer. 2. Navigate to Tools. Click on Tools in the top menu. 3. Select autocorrect options. From the drop-down menu, select autocorrect options. 2. Enabling specific corrections. 1. Options tab. In the autocorrect dialog box, navigate to the Options tab. 2. Enable corrections. Check the boxes for specific corrections you want to enable, such as correct 2 initial capitals or capitalize first letter of every sentence.
Question 3. Explain the process of starting a new list, choosing a numbering or bullet style, creating sublists, and accessing customization options to adjust the appearance and format of the lists. Answer 1. Starting a new list. 1. Insert list. Place the cursor where you want the list to start. To numbering bulleting, click the bullets on off or numbering on off button on the toolbar. To choosing a style, 1. List style options. Right-click on the list and choose bullets and numbering. 2. Select style. Choose from various bullet or numbering styles. 3. Creating sublists. 1. Indent. Press Tab to create a sublist under a main list item. To outdent, press Shift Tab to move an item back to the main list level. 4. Customizing appearance. 1. Bullets and numbering dialog. Access this dialog by right-clicking on the list. To adjust settings, customize the appearance, such as bullet style, numbering format, and alignment. Question 4. Outline the steps to save a document, including choosing the desired format, example, ODT, doc, docs, PDF, RTF, TXT, naming the document, and understanding the differences between these formats. Answer. Steps to save a document. 1. Save as. Go to File, Save As. To choose format. 1. ODT, Open Document Text, default format for OpenOffice. To Docs, Microsoft Word formats, widely compatible. 3. PDF, portable document format, for sharing and printing. 4. RTF, rich text format, for compatibility with many text editors. 5. TXT, plain text, without formatting. Naming the document. 1. Enter name. Type the desired name in the file name field. To select location, choose where to save the document. Understanding formats. 1. ODT, ideal for maintaining all formatting in OpenOffice. To Docs, best for compatibility with Microsoft Word users. 3. PDF, ensures document looks the same on all devices. 3. RTF, useful for basic text with some formatting. 4. TXT, best for simple, unformatted text. Question 5. Explain how to use the Find and Find Replace functions, including accessing the Find toolbar, entering search and replacement text, and utilizing options such as match case and whole words only. Answer. 1. Accessing Find toolbar. 1. Find. Press Ctrl Left to open the Find toolbar. To enter search text. Type the text you want to find in the document. To using Find Replace, 1. Open dialog. Press Ctrl H to open the Find Replace dialog. To enter text, find. Enter the text you want to find. Replace. Enter the replacement text. 3 options. 1. Match case. Check this to match the exact case. 2. Whole words only. Check this to find whole words only. 4. Executing search and replace. 1. Find next. Click Find Next to locate instances one by one. To replace, click Replace to replace the current instance. 3. Replace all. Click Replace all to replace all instances at once. Question 6. List and describe key shortcuts like Ctrl-N, Ctrl-S, Ctrl-B, Ctrl-F, and others, and explain how they can speed up tasks and improve workflow in word processing. Answer. List of key shortcuts. Ctrl-N. Create a new document. Ctrl-S. Save the current document. Ctrl-B. Bold selected text. Ctrl-I. Italicize selected text. Ctrl-U. Underline selected text. Ctrl-F. Open the Find toolbar. Ctrl-H. Open the Find Replace dialog. Ctrl-Z. Undo the last action. Ctrl-Y. Redo the last undone action. Ctrl-P. Open the Print dialog. Benefits. Speed. Shortcuts allow for faster navigation and execution of commands, improving productivity. Efficiency. Reduces the need to navigate menus, enabling quick formatting and editing. Consistency. Helps maintain consistent document formatting by quickly applying styles and corrections.